sweet, but your love is sweeter. So below juice mix. Hey family and friends, I'm going to show you a simple way how to make your own hair conditioner. This one we are using fresh carrot. You see, this carrot is very clean. I'm going to use this carrot to boil it, and then after that I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add fenugreek seed. This fenugreek seed is very good. You can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from eBay, you can get it from any shop. I'm going to add the seed with this and then boil it. Then I'm going to add my GP powder. This GP powder you can get it from anywhere. Once I put them, then I'm going to add my GP hair grow, right? Then I'm going to add my favorite black Jamaican castor oil. Then I will add a little bit of fresh virgin olive oil. You can get it from any shop. Because my hair, right, I'm going to wash it and then make this hair condition, put it directly on my hair, keep it on for like 30 minutes or 20 minutes, it depends, between 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it off. Then I'm going to just pour my hair oil and then I'm going to twist my hair, just twist it nicely. So first of all, before you put anything directly in your mouth, on your hair, on your skin, please make sure you wash them very well, okay? I got a fresh, clean carrot. Yes, I'm going to add water with it. Allow it to boil. I want the carrot to boil very, very well. So once it boils, then I'm going to add my fenugreek seeds with it. I want the seeds to boil with it, so I'm going to add the seed with it. Okay. That's it. Just put a little bit inside because the seed is very hard. You have to soak it in the water. But I'm just going to add the seed with it, enough of it, and I want it to boil because I'm making this hair conditioner for myself and my baby. Okay, so I'm going to use it for myself and my little girl. So I'm going to allow them to boil between 20 to 30 minutes. Let it boil. Then I'm going to take it out, blend it in a blender. While it's like that, blend it, add my ingredient, everything with it. Then I'm going to use that for my hair conditioner. Put it on my hair, keep it for 30 minutes, and then wash it off. Okay? See how it looks like? See, it's now cooking. It's cooking very well. You see? You see that? When you put the spoon in, you want it to cook. Because I'm going to blend it and make it like a hair conditioner for me and my little girl. Yes, you can see my hair is open. So I need to wash it and then apply this directly on my hair, right? So you see there, that's how it looks. So I'm going to increase the volume so it can cook very well. It's now cooking, but I'm going to leave it for at least for another 10 or 15 minutes. I want it to be very, very soft because when I put the spoon in it, it's soft, but I want it to be a little bit soft. So once you put the spoon inside, it matches, but I want it to be it's soft, but I want it to be very soft. So once you put it in a blender, you should just blend it very well. I want it to be very smoothly so I can put it directly on my hair. You don't want to have some bits inside. So it's when you have some bits in the hair, pieces like small bits in the hair, it's very hard for you to wash it off from your hair. So I want it to mash very smoothly. Then I will use that, put it directly on my hair for hair conditioner. So that's how I'm going to boil it. Keep it for another 10 or 15 minutes. Let it cook. As you can see now, it's actually cooked. I can just put my spoon like this. That's how I want it to be very, very well. And I'm going to drain the water out. You can also use this water as well. You can use it for like a hairspray, but I'm not going to throw this water away. I'm going to add my glove with it. and then use it for hairspray. Use it to apply it directly on my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm going to like put it in this blender. So get my cocoa off. Put all of it in here. I want to blend them very well. I'm using for my hair conditioner. Do the same thing as this one, just remove them from the I'm making this for just myself and my little girl. So school is about to open, so I want to do her hair as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of this water with it. Yeah, and then just put it one side. Then I'm going to add my favorite, my black Jamaican castor oil. Just put a little bit inside here. Not enough of this. Put my black Jamaican castor oil. Then I'm going to add my GP powder. I'm going to add my GP powder. Then I'm going to add my GP oil. This can allow the hair to grow. You see my hair? My hair is now growing. Like, just add a little bit. Then you're going to add, I'm going to add my rosemary seeds. The rosemary seeds is very good. Sorry. I have to put it in this bag. Add my rosemary seed with it. Then, finally, I'm going to add my virgin olive oil. I'm going to allow it to blend. And shake it. So I'm going to put some in here, press a little bit full. So I'm going to put some in here like this. See, that's the bit that is ready. Put this thing in here. The one that is already, I'm going to re-blend them. I want to take some out and just this one's already blended. It's already good now. So what I would do just to and add a little bit of add a little bit of water with it because it's a bit thick. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Then yeah, that's it. Do the same thing. Then I'm going to put it in this bowl because that one is already, so you can tell that it's very, very smooth. Okay. And I'm going to put it inside this bowl. That's how you want to mix it. That's how I'm going to use this one as my hair conditioner. There's a bit inside. I'm not going to use this one, so I'm going to use the one that is very, very, very smooth. You can see I'm going to use this to apply it directly on my hair. So I'm going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to put it on my hair. That is my hair conditioner. I'm going to take some from out of it and then put it in a bowl and then use it for my hair conditioner. Use it for my hair conditioner and also for my little girl. So that's why it's a lot. Okay. So I'm going to use the same thing for her hair as well. So I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit. Then I will show you how I'm going to apply it directly on my hair. As you can see here, can you see that? This is my hair conditioner. I got a carrot inside, carrot with olive oil, rosemary, and CB powder, chibi oil, and then just blend them together, and then you just mix it like that. That's my hair conditioner. I don't put chemical on my hair, so I make my own hair conditioner. So I took some for myself and I've kept the other one for my little girl. So I'm going to apply this directly on my hair and keep it like for between 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and then from that I'm going to wash it off, right? So because I don't want to get my hand dirty, so I'm going to wear my gloves. As you can see, my head is absolutely, it's long. I'm loving the length. My hair is growing. So I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm going to just show you how I'm going to just put it directly on my hair. So I'm just going to put this at the side like this. Move this back in there. I'm going to put it at the front of my hair first because the front is very, 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 very important. And the same thing. Make sure you put it in very well because you want it to soak in. I can smell the carrot. the Cara, the GB powder. I'm gonna massage it very, very well. Just massage it. So you can see now I'm gonna just keep it in for 20 minutes, let it soak through. I want it to soak in. I want the flavor to be in the hair. Then later I'm gonna wash my hair very well. Wash it, okay? As you can see here, can you see that I have washed my hair? Can you see my hair? It's now clean and beautiful. As you can see, this is the length of my hair, okay? That's where my hair stopped. Before my hair used to stop here, but now it's here. So that's how you do it. This is all I did. Cara, GP oil, GP powder, olive oil, and then virgin olive oil, and then just mix them with rosemary. Blend them, boil the Cara first, blend them, then you make your own hair condition. That's how I allow my hair to grow. You can see up the length of my hair is stopped there. And you can see the other length is stopped here. My hair is actually growing, okay? Thank you so much. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a blessed day.